Do you often miss important notification because your phone is on silent, or wish there was a more visual way to notice alert without loud sound on vibration? Well, there's a built-in feature on your Galaxy S25 Ultra that can solve that. It flashes your screen when you get a notification and even lets you choose different colors for different apps. Here's how to set it up. Go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, then tap advanced setting. Tap flash notification. Now enable screen flash notification. Here you will see two options, all apps or selected apps. Choose selected apps to customize which app trigger the screen flash. When you pick an app, your phone will automatically assign a flash color, but here's the cool part. You can tap the color next to the app's name and then select any color you want. Then tap done. This way, each app can have its own unique screen flash color, so you will know which notification it is. So when you are in a quiet environment like a library or office, or if you just want a visual way to spot notification instantly, this feature will flash your screen in different colors for different apps, making it easier to know what's important without making a sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.